Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I've got something truly special here with me. This is the Black Snow Mini Sabotage in a full dress, and I want to thank my buddy Oscar to let me review his beautiful grail over here. This is a pretty expensive piece. It's gonna be around, I don't know, over $4,000 US. It's made in Israel, and it's just astounding, guys. This is phenomenal. Like, the handles have mokutai bolsters, marble carbon fiber polished scales. Look at these slabs of titanium. I mean, this is a frame lock, liner lock. I don't even know. It's just beautiful. It's 4.4 inches long. Finishes are beautiful, and check out this blade. This is Vinland Dama steel, 3.5 inch long, Tanto recurve, hollow grind, convex grind. I mean, and come on, guys, look at the sound. It's just phenomenal. It's so unique, so distinctive. This side, check it out. Pocket clip, it's mokutai, beautifully milled. I mean, fit and finish is top notch in this one. The grip, it's fantastic. There's just a tiny bit of hot spot like right over here, but nothing too crazy. No jimping going on, only pure smoothness and fanciness for this one. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick review. Please check out the full length review, but thanks for watching and stay tuned.